So let us discuss about the rules of significant figure. That how should we find the significant figure? So here we will discuss this rules to find significant figure into two parts. First, for non-decimal numbers, right? For those number which do not contain any decimal, and secondly we will discuss for decimal numbers. So first of all, zeros between two non-zeros are considered to be significant. Means let us suppose here we have two non-zeros 7 and 8, and the zero occurring between these two non-zero number are significant. Significant, the meaning of significant we have discussed in previous lecture, that the considerable value, the value that can be considered, the value that can be considered. So the zero occurring between two non-zero, zero occurring between two non-zero are considered to be significant. Next one is leading zeros are insignificant, means they are not significant. Leading zero means zero occurring in front of non-zero number. Okay, zero occurring in front of any natural number is insignificant. This zero is not considered as significant value in our measurement. हमारे मेजरमेंट में ये जीरो सिग्निफिकेंट वैल्यू कंसिडर्ड नहीं किया जाएगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल here 0 0 0 2 3 1. So how many significant values are there? So there are three significant values, only these three non-zeros number. These three zeros are leading zero, means they are occurring in front of non-zero, hence they are not significant. Now next rule, we have next rule, that is trailing zero. About trailing zero means zero occurring at the end of non-zero. Zero occurring at the end of non-zero may or may not be considered as significant. May or may not be considered as significant. Okay, for this condition, for the condition given here 575 000, these zero are not significant. But if I put here decimal, then this zero will be significant figure. Okay, so the trailing zero means zero occurring at the end of non-zero may or may not be significant. May or may not be significant. Okay, so see here, trailing zeros are generally insignificant. Okay, likewise, as we don't know if it has been rounded off to nearest 100 or it is just coincidence that it is an exact multiple of 100. क्योंकि हमें ये नहीं पता कि क्या ये exactly राउंड ऑफ किया गया है या फिर जस्ट ये मल्टीपल है 100 का. हमको कोई भी बात क्लियर नहीं हो रहा है कि राउंड ऑफ है या फिर मल्टीपल है. तो जहां भी कंफ्यूजन हो तो इस वैल्यूज को हम सिग्निफिकेंट कंसीडर नहीं करते हैं, हम इनसिग्निफिकेंट कंसीडर करते हैं. वी विल कंसीडर दिस एज इनसिग्निफिकेंट वैल्यू. बट if here decimal point, if here decimal point, if here decimal point, then after decimal point these zero may be counted as significant value. For example, let us suppose we have 1 2 3 0 0, then the significant figure is what? 3. Only these three non-zeros. But for this value 2.8 into 10 raised to power 4, so let us see, we have only two significant figure 2.8. Now here we have three significant figure. Okay, 10 raised to power 4, 10 raised to power 5, 10 raised to power 9. Number occurring in the order of 10, number occurring in the order can't be significant, can't be significant. So in this way we may find the values of significant figure. Firstly for non-decimal number. In next lecture we will discuss about finding the values, finding the significant values for decimal number in detail. So that's all for the day.